If you're sitting in a corporate job right now telling yourself, I'll leave someday, just not yet, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 7 specific reasons that someday is quietly costing you more than you realize. And the 7th one is the reason that changes everything. So let's get into it. Because here's what's actually happening while you wait for the right time. The right time isn't coming. Nobody sends you a signal. There's no promotion, no bonus, no milestone that suddenly makes it feel safe to walk away from something that's paying you well but isn't you anymore. And I've watched this play out with hundreds of people who look exactly like you, who are quietly running out the clock on a version of their life they never actually chose. So here are the 7 reasons, and I'm saving the most important but most overlooked reason for last. Reason number 1, you already have what most people spend years trying to build. You've got expertise. You've got a track record. You've got a network of people who trust your judgment because they've watched you deliver for years. Most people who want to build something of their own have to go earn all that first. You already have it. It's just parked inside someone else's company instead of your own. And that's not a small reason to wait. That's actually the reason you're more ready than you think. But here's the problem. The longer that expertise stays parked, the more it starts to feel like it belongs to the job instead of you. Reason number 2, that feeling of being replaceable isn't going away, no matter how high you climb. You'd think seniority would fix it, but it doesn't. I've talked to executives making more money than they ever imagined making, and they still feel like a line item that could get restructured out in a bad quarter. Because that's what you are inside someone else's org chart, no matter your title. Your name isn't on the thing you built. And that feeling doesn't resolve with one more promotion. It only resolves when you build something that's actually yours. Reason number 3, and this is the one most people don't say out loud. You're trading hours with your family for a version of success you didn't fully choose. Think about the last 2 weeks. How many dinners did you actually sit through without checking your phone? How many weekends did work bleed into? You didn't sign up for this. Nobody signs up to this. It happens one late night, one missed pickup, one I'll make it up to them at a time. And the specific danger of that is it's invisible until the years are already gone. Let me stop the list for a second and just ask you something directly. If nothing changes, if you keep doing exactly what you're doing right now for another 5 years, are you going to be proud of that decision? Not the paycheck, not the title, the decision to keep waiting. Because someday, the thing I mentioned at the start of this video isn't a date on a calendar. It's not hypothetical. It's the actual choice you're making again, right now, just by hitting play on this video and going back to your day afterward like nothing happened. And reason 4 is where it gets uncomfortable because it's about what happens if you don't. Reason number 4, the market doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Industry shifts, roles get automated, restructured, and absorbed. I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm just saying it because I've watched people wait for the safe moment to make a change and then the decision got made for them on someone else's timeline at the worst possible moment. Leaving on your own terms with a plan and a runway you built yourself is a completely different experience than leaving because you had no choice. Reason number 5, you don't actually need to quit tomorrow. And that might be the most important thing I say in this entire video. The people I've worked with who make this transition successfully almost never do it overnight. They build it on the side, evenings, weekends, focused hours, while the paycheck is still coming in until the new thing is generating enough that leaving isn't a leap. It's just the next logical step. 6 months, 12 months, sometimes 24. That's not slow. That's the difference between a decision made from fear and one made from confidence. Reason number 6, the version of financial security you've been optimizing for might already be more solid than you're giving yourself credit for. You've built savings. You've built a track record that makes people want to work with you. The thing standing between you and starting isn't actually money. For most of the people I talk to, it's permission. Permission to believe what they know is valuable enough that people would pay for it directly, instead of just paying their employer for access to it. Reason number 7, and this is the one I promised you at the start. 5 years from now, one of 2 things is true. Either you're still in the exact seat you're in right now, having the exact same conversation with yourself that you're having tonight, or you built something that's actually yours, on your own terms, at your own pace, without blowing up the life you've worked hard for. Both of those futures are available to you right now. The only difference between them is whether you start. So there's your answer to someday. It's not a date on a calendar. It's a decision you keep remaking every single day you don't start. You don't need to hand in your notice tomorrow. You don't need a perfect plan today. You just need to stop pretending the clock isn't ticking. If any part of this hit home, I want to know, what's the one thing you need to feel true before you'd actually start building something of your own? Tell me in the comments below because I read every single one. And if this is where you're at right now, I break down exactly how to make this transition without risking everything you've worked hard to build each week. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. And if you're ready to build a coaching business to replace your income, then make sure to check out my free online course that reveals the exact 7-step roadmap to starting a profitable coaching business and enrolling your first paying client in the next 30 days. Click up here to watch the free course now. My name is Peter Scott, reminding you to be here, act now, and fear less.